delegates, and fellow Americans, I humbly and gratefully accept your nomination for the presidency of the United States.
We will not build a wall. Instead, we will build an economy where everyone who wants a good job can get one.
The wall just got 10 feet higher. It's true.
As I say, crooked Hillary, crooked Hillary. She's as crooked as they come.
A man you can bait with a tweet is not a man we can trust with nuclear weapons.
She's been proven to be a liar on so many different ways. This is just another lie.
When I think about Trump, I get allergic.
Don't worry about that, baby. I love babies.
I am sick and tired of the negative, dark, divisive, dangerous vision and behavior of people who support Donald Trump.
We will make America safe again. And we will make America great again.